today Energetica India is here at the REI Expo bringing you the latest insights from the renewable energy sector. So today we have with us Mr. Sunil Rathi, Executive Director, Vari Group. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm going good too sir. So sir, my first question is what products have you showcased at the Expo today?
So, from the Vari Group, we have been exhibiting entire range, which includes module. And in that, you will see flexible model, which is the latest model, 520 watt flexible model. That is a new launch. In addition to that, in this particular expo, we are launching three main products. One is IDT, inverter duty transformers, 17.6 kVA. That's the new product. In addition to that, 350 kilowatt inverter. That's again a Vari made, entirely assembled in India. Okay, manufactured in India, including the PCB. That's the new launch. And plus battery. Indian made battery. Completely cell. I'm not talking about a containerized solution. Our first cell is also showcased in this expo. Yeah, that's from my side.
So sir, my next question is what if there is a sudden shift in technology or maybe supply chain disruption? What are your plans for that?
Well, you have asked a very difficult question, which is technology change. Okay, and I must say, since 2010 till now, technology is changing every 2 years, 3 years, right? So we are well aware of that, and we are taking appropriate action. We are investing into the R&D, and while come from the next year, you will see many new products from Vari itself. Okay, so we are taking care of technology change, and we are ensuring that we are mitigating those problems. Supply chain disruption. Okay, we as a company, we know that every country wants to be self-sustainable, and they want to enter into the energy security. Take the example of India, and their country wants energy security by indigenization of all the product, and we are supporting that. If you look at the Vari history, we started with a model manufacturing, and right now we manufacture. We are the India's largest model manufacturer, manufacturing modules and backward integration cell, and we are entering into manufacturing of ingot and wafer. When you say horizontal integration, we have EPC, we are in the manufacturing transformers and many other products, inverters, green hydrogen, electrolyzers. Okay, these are the different vertical we started. That's from my.
So sir, as you were explaining about the expansion plans that you are going to introduce in the future, can we expect some numbers, any expansion numbers, that how much gigawatt are you targeting?
Okay, I'll just give an example. As we speak, currently we are doing, we have 15 gigawatt of model manufacturing capacity, which will touch to 21 gigawatt by end of this year, that is December or January max. We have 1.6 operational capacity in US, which will touch to 5 gigawatt in next 2 months time, to maximum 3 months time, and we are entering into the battery manufacturing, which will be a 20 gigawatt hour of battery manufacturing. Currently, we are executing 5.1 gigawatt of EPC project within the country, out of which one project is 2 gigawatt, single customer, single location. That capacity will further expand. We are also entering to the Middle East market, Africa market, and Eastern Europe market for EPC. We have been already doing work in Southeast Asia, where the next project will start EPC work early next year. We already have the MOU signed, and that work will start early next year. In terms of inverters, then we have transformer company which we recently acquired. There we are likely to do touch up to 5 gigawatt of transformer, 5 gigawatt MVA transformer. That's what is our plan.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you.